How to connect Printify with Shopify. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to connect Printify with Shopify. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the first thing you need to do is to prepare the things that you need. So you need to have your store on Shopify and also an account on Printify. So to do that, if you want to connect Printify with Shopify, you can just click on this apps right here and click on add apps, and then this will show in here. So if you can see Printify in here, you can just click on this find more apps in the Shopify app store and click on that, and then this will load and redirect you to a new tab. So in here you can just search for Printify. So let's search in here for Printify, and then as you can see, it already showed itself, so you can just click on this, and then in here you can just click on install. So click on install right there, and then this will proceed to your login. So you can just choose an account of your Shopify and click on this, and then this will load again, and let's just wait for it to connect as to Printify. So as you can see right now, it is redirected us back. So in here you can just click on this install app right here, and then let's wait for this to load again. And in here, as you can see, Printify has been successfully installed on our Shopify app. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to connect Printify with Shopify. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.